Hi everyone. So this great walker was sent to me to give my honest opinion, to test it out, see what I think. And today I'm going to show you all of the details that I really think stood out with this, between putting the battery in and using the features up here on the handle to the adjustability on the bottom. So let's get started. It comes with a carrying case and you just pop it right out because this is supposed to be fast and easy to use. You've got grips on the bottom head actually adjusts so it helps with the balance. You've got an aircraft grade aluminum on this walking stick, and overall I was beyond impressed with the quality. I really was particularly paying attention to just the little details and how it felt. Did it feel steady when I was walking with it? And it 100% did. It takes two AAA batteries, and you can have it for the flashlight up top. You've got a great grip there up top. It was very, very comfortable. There is the flashlight there. It's just a one button push. You can do that with one hand if you want to, which is the whole point. But it worked super duper well with that. You also have this little stand here that pops right up and helps you kind of, if you're sitting down, to stand up. So really easy. It pops right back into place. Super duper easy again to maneuver this. No problems whatsoever. And it also has a very good grip. So you can adjust the height of this walking stick, which is great because I'm pretty tall. So I would want it to be a taller stick, but you can definitely make it go smaller if you want to. As you can see here, it's very easy to adjust. You do have an alarm on it, so let me let you hear that. Maneuverability with this is fantastic. I was very impressed with the strength of it. It felt very steady to me going up and down stairs, walking around with it out in the grass here. I mean, honestly, I almost feel like I could take it hiking. It was just a really good quality. It was very easy to put together, to break down. I like the fact that it has a carrying case, and just all in all, I like how bright it is. I love this color. Everything they really kind of thought of. They have the little siren, they have the flashlight, and they have the stability. So I am very pleased with it.